Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to use Grok AI to ask questions on X first. Unlock your iPhone and open the X app. Once X is open, you'll be able to access Grok directly from the app. Tap on the Grok icon at the bottom middle of the screen. This will open the Grok AI Assistant. Once Grok opens, you'll see the Ask Anything option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to start asking your question. Type whatever question you want to ask Grok. You can ask it about any topic or use it to get information and explanations. After typing your question, tap the send icon on the middle right side of the screen. Once you send the question, Grok will process it and provide an answer in the chat. You can also continue asking follow-up questions. And that's how you can use Grok AI to ask questions on X. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more iPhone tutorials.